At IT Card, we're using our product, AiXQP, to revolutionize education. It's helping transform and advance learning processes for tomorrow. 30 years ago, we learned from textbooks and teachers. Today, students learn from AI that adapts to exactly how they think. Education has traveled far from traditional classrooms to global digital spaces, across cultures and around the world. We have discovered one fundamental truth: brilliant minds learn in completely different ways. Yet, in most cases, our education systems still treat them all the same. Without AI transformation, our education futures look bleak. Imagine classrooms with 25 to 100 students per teacher, brilliant minds lost in standardized testing, and entire generations unprepared for the digital world. The cost of inaction isn't just educational failure, it's the loss of human potential on a global scale. AI changes everything. In education, it does not replace human teachers. It empowers them with insights. It does not standardize learning. It personalizes every experience. Technology finally understands that each mind is unique. Imagine students debating with Einstein, exploring Mars through virtual reality, or more importantly, having their learning challenges identified before they struggle. AI does not just improve education, it provides new outcomes as to what learning can become. This is not just about receiving better grades, it's about providing new and exciting avenues at a world-class level. AI breaks down every barrier for geographically, language, economic status, and learning differences. For the first time in history, through AiXQP, every child on Earth will be able to access personalized, world-class education. The students learning with AI today will cure diseases tomorrow, help solve many global issues, and build technologies we can't yet even imagine. When we transform education, we do not just change how people learn, we change what humanity can achieve. The future of education is not coming. It's here with AiXQP, AI-powered, barrier-free, and designed to unlock every child's mind's potential, because every student deserves to have a chance to change the world. They deserve to be heard and feel as though they have a path to succeed. Through AiXQP, I truly believe that this is the case, and it is an extremely exciting time here at IT Card and in the education field.